Hi, my name is Rodrigo Boavida and I will guide you through a 15-minute flash demo of the CC Extended Outbound Solutions. So I logged in the administration shell of CC Extended Platform and went to the Outbound tab. Here we can configure campaigns, associate with the CSQs and manage the contacts. As you can see, if you're already acquainted with the CCX outbound campaign, here the configurations are pretty much the same, although we have added some extra features like the agent progressive and the agent predictive campaign type. Also, there are lots of kind of configurations that also exist here. Down below you can see the advanced configurations that are related with the progressive and predictive outbound campaigns, either for the IVR or for the agent point. Okay, so we added a couple of extra features. For instance, you can search a contact in the contacts view of each campaign. I type here the contact name and have a filter right down below. Okay, then we can also add new contacts directly to the campaign with the user interface. You can edit the contact and you can of course import the contacts. As you can see now in this, you can import it with CSV files like you also do it in the UCCX. Okay, so to give an idea of the flexibility of the solution, we're here to show on this demo a contact creation through a click-to-call action on the website. An agent preview dialer campaign contact is created. So this is done through web services. I'm here introducing the contact number. It's a simple click-to-call, also known as a call me feature on the website. I'm here not scheduling the call. I will make the call as it is. I select the preview dialer campaign type and I submit the request. Okay, so the request is in the system. And now I will switch to the agent view. Here I do the login with the agent. After doing the login, I can see there is an outbound request above on the statistics for the waiting requests regarding to my CSQs. I go here to the supervisor view. As I can see on the left side, there is the CSQ, and down below we have here the outbound requests on queue. As we can see on the right side, I can see the agent's CSQ, and I will put this agent in ready state so that he can receive, and you can see now the agent is already reserved. And he also gets the preview of the contact. In the middle you can see what I introduced on the website. I accept. These buttons are very much the same feature buttons that already exist on the CCX Cisco Agent Desktop. So the call was made. The call was answered. You can see down below the script navigator supporting scripts. There is the same kind of call classification, for instance, of the call that is being made. I can schedule also a callback. So it's pretty much the same as you already have it on the UCCX. Although this doesn't require the CCX premium license. That is pretty much what is going on additionally to the CCX platform here. Okay, so this gives you a good idea of how things can work in the extended agent desktop with the preview. Okay, so on the supervisor point of view, you can see here the monitor of the call, the outbound call. Okay, it also has the same kind of controlling and monitoring features, silent monitoring. You can barge in the call. So the same kind of features that already exist on the inbound and other contact center calls. Okay, so I wrap up here call was hung up. So I'll go here to the supervisor. You can see the wrap up. I will put the agent ready, and now I can see in the statistics on the calls view you have a general identifier for the call. You enter the call and you can see the details. There is the outbound call details that were introduced on the website and transformed from the contact from the campaign into data from the call that was made. Here you can see the statistics. I'll have outbound calls. Now I can see on the CSQ level the statistics, and I can see here in a pie chart view I can see that it is only outbound calls made. On the other side I can see here only outbound, also separated from the inbound. Okay, so now I will give the same kind of demo, but with the agent progressive campaign that is pretty much the same kind of experience that should be the predictive. Okay, so I introduce also the same data on the website, same call number, I submit, but now with the outbound dialer, that is the progressive dialer. Okay, so we go here to the campaign management and we can check on the contact level that we already have the contact created. Okay, great. And now we go again to the agent desktop and we can see it in the queue level. So the system made a reservation call. I'm reserved for the outbound progressive. I can see it also on my IP communicator. It's a reservation call as described. So what the outbound dialer did was reserve the agent through a reservation call, then called customers that were to be called, and it transferred the call to the agent. So this works in similar way than the UCC Enterprise does.